Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Plus you must have made very awesome profits in the last 2 weeks. So this is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 13th of November 2023 and the week will end on Friday 17th of November 2023. So almost half month of November is also gone, and this year is almost, we are like near year end. So let's see, in this weekly Forex forecast videos I will try to explain different concepts, and I will also try to analyze different currency pairs. I will be trying to find out new and fresh setups, just like we made good profits on the euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, and all of those pairs that I have discussed 2 weeks ago, because last week I was not available, so I couldn't upload a video. The setups and the techniques, all of those things were the same, right? So today, without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart. And just in case if you are watching me for the first time, try to check out some of my previous videos and then click on the subscribe button along with the bell icon. So let's head over to the live charts and let's find out what we can get in the upcoming week. So let's have a look at dollar index. First of all, that is already on my chart right here. On the dollar index, you will remember that this buy trade, I clearly have mentioned it in advance, and I'm right now on the daily time frame. So let's have a look at the weekly first of all as well. This 108 level, most of you will remember, if you are following me for even just for like 2-3 months, you will know that this was a very fantastic sell area, and I have clearly communicated this in my videos to all of my audiences, because I want to I try and I want to, and I am very transparent with my audience, because if you are following me, I want to give you some sort of knowledge. I want to give you valuable knowledge so that you can look at it and you can make good profits out of it, and then you comment me that, hey Aftab, we have made this much profit, we have made this much profit, right? And I also try to motivate new traders to avoid greed, impatience, and all of those things. I'm in a rush, so today I'm not going to touch that. Okay, on the dollar index, first of all, on the weekly time frame, if we see, we have to see that from right here, when it was going up, I was clearly saying it's going up. So from 12-13 months, weeks, it tried to go back up, and non-stop on weekly basis it was going up. Even we have got a very nice break of structure right here as well. The first one was this, and obviously the second one was right here, this. If you can see, the market also re-entered into the structure. So we have got these two breakouts, then the bullish setups, they work very nicely as well. So I don't want to make things so much complicated, because I have to cover all of these pairs as well. Let's have a look at this monthly impulsive wave right here, and as you can see, market break in from the Fibonacci, and this whole area was a reversal area with us, and since then the market is continuing back up. Now what we have got right here is definitely this 61.8% retracement, and you may see that this 61.8% retracement, the price on the weekly from where it bounces off, exactly it did not hit this level right here, but still we can assume that this is a Fibonacci area right here with us. If I extend it to the left side of the market, we can clearly see that a very nice structure right here that was broken to the top side. Market was supposed to take a retest right here, but it break below, which means it was in a downward trend, and on the basis of it, I definitely will be analyzing it, and I will be assuming a new and fresh trend channel right here to the downside of the market. And yet there is still a little bit of possibility the market is going to go back up and retest this trend line. This is a very immature and not yet confirmed type of trend line right here, but on the basis of this break-in, we can very easily identify this in trend line. Now this is the weekly story, and on the weekly, one more level I want to draw, and then I will be switching to the lower time frames, and let me highlight this 61.8% retracement, which comes near 102.583. So things are now simple, and let's reduce this a little bit. So when I switch to the daily time frame, things will be very easy for me. Now on the daily, if we see, we can very clearly see that a Fibonacci, the trend was, look at this, the trend was so much strong that it just did not give that 61.8% retracement as well, and the market continue back up. So what is going on the daily time frame? Obviously we have got a very nice rejection all the way from right here, if you can see this nice rejection right here, and then this. Now no doubt here, if we see, we cannot ignore this fact that it broke this trend line as well. This trend line was very nicely coming back down, and this trend line will also be a very center of focus for me in the upcoming weeks, unless price take a retest of 102.583. So this is going to be a very nice trend at the moment. If I classify this particular trade setup, it is ranging, right? And as it is ranging, definitely it will have a type of support and a break of structure as well. Right here, if you can see, it is ranging very nicely on the H4. On the H4, let's see, on the H4 seems like it already is going to establish that trend line right here, and then a drop towards 102. So that drop to 102 occurs in how much time, we exactly cannot say anything about it. If we get a break above the structure, don't try to take a buy trade, because this is, remember, not our buy zone. For our buy zone, we have to wait for the market to give us a close above 106, because it will mean that okay, the market is now going back up, and then take a retest, and then we will be looking for a buy opportunity. At the moment, another buy opportunity, and that can be right here, a quick one during the week, 105.399. but I suggest try to keep things long term, and that will be very awesome for all of you. Remember, you will be making good profits. Moving on to the pound US dollar. On the pound US dollar, this is a trade setup that I discussed and I gave in the group, in my VIP members. I delivered that setup. So on the pound dollar right here, if we see, this channel I have discussed gave fantastic profits. Just check out my previous videos. Then from there we took a sell, from here we took a buy, and both of the trades worked very nicely. Right here it is standing at a buy zone, but things may let me delete this thing, and let me delete this Fibonacci. This is a buy zone for the intraday ones, but I will suggest, if the market go back up in the upcoming week, definitely we are going to take another sell, and I will also communicate that to my premium clients. And another sell will be 1.23380 if it is going back up, a further up move of around from right here of around 110 pips, and then we will be taking a sell trades all the way towards this previous support zone. Let me extend it, and this is completed. We took buy trades from here. This was 61.8% retracement. This was 61.8% retracement. Now tell me, everyone, what is so difficult in these things? They are very simple. Now right here, this trade setup I gave you very nicely. I not just uploaded this in the group, but I also discussed this trade setup in the weekly forecasts as well. You can check back my previous videos. We have got a very nice break of structure to the bottom hand side, and this whole bullish story, if you see, it went up, took a retest of the broken level, and the market dropped. So this is how trading is simple. And obviously the daily candle that closed, it also suggests a further bullish wave towards 1.24675. Let me complete the ABCD pattern right here, so that my good audience can have a look at it and identify these patterns. Let me add one more line right here. So if this occurs, and if the market closes above this 1.24675 in the upcoming week, then it will mean that it is going to go further down and take a retest of this master trend line right here. If you can see, that will again be very nice one, because we can make good profits from the buy trades, and then from the sell trades. For the sell, obviously this is a level, this is a level. We are almost near our year end, so definitely most of the long-term bulls who took prices all the way from right here and from right here, most of them, or maybe a certain percentage of those traders will be leaving their position. So till then, maybe a pumping up and then a drop, which will be very nice and fantastic. So this is going on the pound, and still I see it bullish towards 1.25280 to take a retest of this one. But there will be one condition, and in that condition we will say that okay, now our analysis is to the downside. If market closes below this, then from right here, if it closes below this, then it will be coming back down to 1.21002. In that situation, the cells we are holding, we can hold that further. So let's see what it gives us. But if it closes below, just it will hit the tiny stop losses. And if you try to keep your stop losses this much and take profit this much, believe me, all of the time you will be making lots and lots of profits. I guarantee you that. So this is pound dollar. Dollar index is done. Pound yen, let's discuss this as well. And this trade, now most of you will remember this trade. Most of you will remember. Just check out my previous videos. This trade you will remember. Then when I receive messages, hey Aftab, we are losing this much, I say, why are you losing? This is a very simple market. So why you are trying to putting yourself again and again in that loophole, right? Why you are putting yourself on loop of losing trades? Not just you watching me, but I'm talking like majority of the traders, a vast majority of the traders who are not making it. So this is very nice right here. If you have buy trade from right here, I'm telling you right now, close it in profit, and just let me know in the comment section down below if you are holding buy position from here, because we have closed it right here and then we took sell, buy and then sell. So I couldn't catch this one, but obviously I could catch this one, and it worked very nicely. This was obviously a very long term, so very nice and fantastic trade opportunities. Now what's next for the upcoming week? Obviously since market is clearly took support from this whole level, and now I assume that at least market is going to create and to complete this particular ABCD pattern, which comes near this particular zone. Let me hide this Fibonacci because I like clean chart. This breakout and retest on the basis of this trend line, you may remember we took this trade, so I'm deleting it to keep the charts fresh. We don't need these, and we also, let's extend it, we need it, and we will need this. So for a buy opportunity, obviously the market is coming back down, take a retest, and we will be looking towards 187, but that will be a historical high, remember. So when our historical high is like this zone is turned on, it will mean that it may go further up. Otherwise, if it start to drop in the upcoming week, it will be dropping towards I'm not going so much far, but it will be dropping towards the 61.8 175.351, and that will be a very nice and good trading opportunity that we can actually trade in the upcoming week. Dollar CAD, right here, the previous analysis is almost present. What we did in the past from right here, like this whole previous year, I covered this whole story in my previous year video 2022, so I'm not going into the details of it, but obviously this is in A to B. Let me do it a bit clearly. When I'm in a rush, I try to do the things very quickly, but rush is not good in forex. Obviously market on the dollar CAD is clearly on this 61.8% retracement, and even it has gave a breakout of this 61.8% retracement right here. Market was supposed to go down from here, take a fresh restart, and go back up, but what it is doing is, no doubt it dropped from this triple bottom. So for fresh opportunities, obviously a breakout, a retest, and then the continuation. But for a bullish opportunity near this trend line right here, 1.34000, as it is coming down till here, we can further take a buy opportunity. Stop loss right here, take profit up there, and it will be a nice and smooth opportunity. But if it hits the stop loss, don't try to take too much tensions, because look at your trade management as well. If it stops you out, when it stops us out, it means that we will find another opportunity on the same pair. It will be going up. So when it will be going up, we can take another sell opportunity from there. Very simple it is. Don't try to take any tensions. And one more thing that I want to tell you, thank you so much everyone for everyone who messaged me on my WhatsApp and who asked me that, hey Aftab, you are not posting videos. So last week I couldn't post a video. I was busy in a family function, and here the family functions are not just 1 day or 2 day. It will be like around for weeks. So today I'm again going, and this is the last weekend I'm going to attend the function, and after that I will be completely free for the daily forecast and all of those stuff. So the dollar can very simple, observe this 61.8% retracement, and you can at least get some good profits right here. Don't try to be too greedy. Okay, don't try to be too greedy. And if you cannot manage your account by yourself, or if you have always some problems, impatience, greed and those stuff, and you need a virtual mentor, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number. Let me show you that on the screen as well, but because then you guys complain that Aftab is not giving us his WhatsApp number. So here is my WhatsApp number. You can check it out, and I have few courses, I have few mentorship services, I have a premium group monthly basis. So any service you like, definitely contact me on this, and we can work together, and I can make you a very profitable trader. But remember, we will not be in a rush. Okay, I'm against this impatience thing. I am against impatience, I'm against greed and those stuff. So moving on to the other pair, and what other pair I'm going to discuss right here is gold US dollar. Well, first right here, see exactly it bounces off from my level that I gave. This is a very long term. I discussed it that maybe it can complete this in the till upcoming March, or maybe till upcoming year, 1 year. This impulsive leg will be completed. Very strong one it is. So definitely I will be looking for bullish opportunities on the gold US dollar. I will try to explain it in a separate video as well, but it has broken its level, Fibonacci level. So I see it coming further down, 1938. In the previous videos I gave you this level. So let me count the number of pips and let me tell you, almost it dropped 659, around 660 pips it dropped very nicely right here. And when you learn my strategy, you will be able to do these things by yourself. So switching to the daily time frame, as it is coming back down, definitely right here, if you can see 1885.95 is what I'm expecting, not in just in the upcoming week, but right here 1895, I'm writing it again. This is a master buy zone, and this will be the ABCD pattern. So it can work very nicely, and there are some breakout points definitely, and the breakout points that I want to discuss is this red one, but obviously it break in, so maybe market range right here a little bit, and then a drop for fresh sell opportunities well in the upcoming week, if there is a very big, if no blind sells, if the market let's have a look at it on the H4. If the market what I did is I picked this highest point and I picked this lowest point from like this, and I drew Fibonacci. This is its 61.8% retracement. This is its 61.8% retracement, this one right here, as you can see, 1978, somewhere right here 1978 can be used for a fresh sell opportunity all the way towards 1910. This is a very fantastic, and this story will be reset. There are a lot of the other concepts that I wanted to communicate to all of you, but since I'm in a rush and I have to quickly reach somewhere, so just focus on this one, and from right here we will be going to take a very nice and fantastic buy opportunity from right here. And believe me, when you look at these setups like this, just if you see this trend line, it's very nicely coming back down. We have got a breakout, we got a retest, we took a buy trade, it went up, it hit the resistance level, and from our resistance level it dropped. Nothing like no rocket science, nothing like that, but I'm not sure why the traders are not getting me in the right way, sorry to say, but most of them who message me with losing trades. So see, very nice nice market, very nice structures, very nice highs and lows, and the market sometimes making higher highs. Now if you can see, this market clearly has created a higher high. If we see this one, if you see, this is a higher high, see double top right here, market dropped, market went back up. It was supposed to go down, but it gave a break of this trend line right here, took a retest and continued back up, giving us a higher high, HHC, higher high. And now we are in this channel, so maybe a little bit of a drop down and then the continuation towards the top. Moving on to the euro US dollar, and on the euro US dollar, how many pips this range gave us, how many pips it gave us. We took this sell trade as well, we took this buy trade as well, we took this buy trade as well, we took this buy, this sell, and I'm keep discussing it for almost like 2-3 months. 1.07854 was the target zone for all of the traders who took buy positions from this zone right here, who took buys from right here, from right here, from right here. This is still yet pending, and maybe this is a possible that market is going to go back up, and if it gives us a breakout retest, then 1.09000. Otherwise I'm looking for a fresh buy entries near 1.06118, like this and like this, and it's going to be a very fantastic trade. Market definitely will be trying to retest this broken level up there. On the weekly time frame, we have this trend line as well. So this trend line has this previous resistance zone, which became like this previous support zone, which was broken, and now it is most likely going to become a resistance zone. But for that, market has to drop and take a retest of 1.05419, 1.05132. So both to the sell side and to the buy side, the market is very ideal. But what the traders need is a very nice and fantastic strategy. And if you want to work on my strategy, believe me, it can give you a lot of the profits. And it took almost like 8 years for me to develop this whole system, and now everything is in front of me. It is working very nicely, and it is working for me. It can work for you too, and you can also take very nice and good trading opportunities from on the basis of this ABCD pattern. Remember, I want to display my WhatsApp number again. If you have any problem, if you want to take any premium services, if you have any losing trade or something like that, you can contact me, and I will be giving you my own services in real time, and you will be making lots and lots of profits. Because if you are happy, I will be happy. When I'm happy, you will be happy. Okay, so the equation will be complete. Here the audience is happy, here the mentor is happy. So both ways, when they are equal, the relationship is even more stronger, and it gives very fantastic profits. Altogether, we take good decisions. I have plannings in the upcoming week that I will try to, like anyone who is watching me from my premium group, who are premium group members. So let me also tell you that in the upcoming week, I will be sharing a lot of the new setups with all of you as well, that we will be trading together, and in the group I will be so much active. So I'm publicly saying this, these 2 weeks I was a hell lot of busy, and I couldn't get any good time to focus on these charts. Remember one more thing, when I'm not relaxed, when I have a lot of the things on my head, I cannot focus on the markets, and when I cannot focus on the market, I cannot give you a good or I cannot give you a good advice or something like that. That's why my videos get postponed a little bit, and then I'm obviously active in the group. I have to give them time as well. So take a lot of care of yourself, keep me in your prayers, give me that thumbs up button, and I will see you next time, most probably on Monday morning, with a fresh mind, with a fresh week, fresh markets and fresh charts. Till then, take care and best of luck all of you. Goodbye.